Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming essential access, business manager, an active ad account, and a verified payment method. Once done, install and verify the Facebook pixel in Events Manager and trigger at least one key event like purchase or lead. Next, create your campaign immediately. Select an objective that matches your KPI, name it with a consistent convention, and choose daily or lifetime budget so you can control pacing from day one. Once the campaign exists, you build ad sets and ads. Start by choosing audiences, combine custom audiences with 1% 5% lookalikes, and add interest layers to tighten relevance. Make placements automatic to collect data, but exclude low-value placements if needed. Set optimization for conversions, pick a bid strategy that matches your spend, and schedule ad delivery. For creatives, upload 3 headlines, 3 visuals, and 1 clear CTA. And test 1. You launch and watch closely for the first 48 to 72 hours, focusing on CPC, CTR, conversion rate, and ROAS. Once you see trends, pause low performers and scale winners incrementally, for example by 20% per day, and duplicate ad sets to run controlled A/B tests. If results lag, make sure to check the pixel and attribution window, look for audience overlap, and review ad quality diagnostics. Fixing any of these usually restores performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.